Praise the Lord. Welcome to Morning Miss by Caris Global Mission. God has given all of us a wonderful day. Let's rejoice in the day. Let's start the day with meditation and prayer. I want to meditate from the portion of Genesis chapter 4, verse 3 to 5. It reads, "And in the process of time it came to pass that Cain brought an offering of the fruit of the ground to the Lord. Abel also bought of the firstlings of his flock and of their fat, and the Lord respected Abel and his offering, but he did not respect Cain and his offering. And Cain was very angry, and his countenance fell." In this portion, as we read, it says, "In the process of time, it came to pass that Cain brought an offering of the fruit of the ground to the Lord, and Abel also brought of his firstling of his flock and of their fat." See the distinction between two offerings. We all come to the presence of the Lord with some kind of offering. Let's check from the life of Cain and Abel and see how it matches in our life. Cain brought an offering of the fruit of the ground to the Lord. The portion is very clearly mentioning that he brought some of the fruit from the ground to the Lord. There is no specific word added, but in Abel's offering, there is a special word which is added before the offering. It says, "brought of the firstlings of his flock." It could have been like, bought some from his flock. No, the word is firstling of his flock and of their fat. The special selection or the special preparation is put towards his offering, and he is bringing it and offering it to the Lord. Here it says, "Lord respected Abel and his offering." My dear children, those who are hearing me, my dear child of God, let's think how we bring offering to the Lord. What we bring, with what intention, with what motive. Is it like Cain, that he bought something for the namesake and offered it to the Lord? There is no special preparation, or there is nothing special about his offering. It's just like for the namesake, he bought something and he offered it to the Lord. But Abel and his offering was special to the Lord. The reason is he bought firstling. The speciality of his offering is it is from the first fruit of his flock. And not only that, there might be many first fruits, many firstlings from his flock, but he has chosen from the fat of theirs. It says, "firstling of his flock and of their fat," the best one out of the firstlings, and he brought it to the Lord. Lord respected Abel and his offering. My dear child of God, how many of us we come to the presence of the Lord with some kind of offering? You might be thinking, it's just about money or materialistic thing, what I'm speaking. No, my dear brothers and sisters, it is about whatever we offer to the Lord. Are we offering the best thing? Maybe you're offering your time, your strength, your talents, your money, your time. Are we offering the best things to the Lord, or are we doing it for the namesake? Some of the people, those who come to church, those who sit for prayer, those who worship, it's all just for a namesake. Let's make sure we don't do that. Let's make sure we are well prepared. We come to the presence of the Lord with the reverence and with the respect towards what He has done in our life. Here it says, God respected Abel and his offering. First thing God respects is you, your heart, your motive behind coming to the presence of the Lord. Nowadays, many of us, we go to church. With what motive? Are we going to see our friends? Are we going to brag what we have? Or are we going to show things what we have to others? Or are we really going to the presence of the Lord to seek His face? If you're doing that, God is respecting you, and then whatever you offer gains that respect because of your attitude towards the presence of the Lord. I want to read from another verse, which is from the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 23, verse 35. It says that on you may come all the righteous bloodshed on the earth, from the blood of righteous Abel to the blood of Zechariah, son of Berechiah, whom you murdered between the temple and the altar. The context is something different, but what we can take out of this verse is Jesus Christ is acknowledging that Abel was a righteous man. So, as a righteous man, whatever Abel bought was respected. God respected Abel and his righteousness and whatever he bought. My dear child of God, when we go to the presence of the Lord, when we offer something to the Lord, He sees the deepest part of our heart. He can see everything what is within us. With what intention we go to church or with what intention we go to His presence, everything He knows. So let's try to offer the best what we can. First thing is, let's try to be righteous. Let's try to bring out whatever we have, the best ones to the Lord, so that He may respect us and our offering. May God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you throughout the day in whatever you do.